Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to enable or disable music haptics on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro device. So there are two different ways to enable the haptics on iPhone device. So the first way is to open the control panel, click plus button, and here click add a control. Then scroll down. Scroll down till you'll see hearing accessibility, and here click music haptics. It's cool, and that's it. So now now we can click on it and enable music haptics. And now when you want play any music from, for example, Apple Music, your device will vibrate in the rhythm of music. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.